right, Phil, let's go over a demo on how to use the new iLX-W650 from Alpine. Home screen is, of course, radio, you know. From there, you can hit this little icon and this will pop up all the available sources. Sirius XM is an option. You do have to buy a tuner, but it can run it. Again, it has the option for the front and rear cameras as well. So the fun part, the cool thing that we're going to use today is Apple CarPlay. So I've already connected an iPhone to the unit. This is going to give us automatically our Apple Maps, Apple Music, text messages, hands-free phone calls, right? So first thing we're going to do is go to Apple Maps, and we are going to show me Mexican restaurants nearby. How did Taco Bell even get on that list, man? So here's all our Mexican restaurants nearby, complete with the Yelp reviews. I love that. We're gonna click Lena's, and this is directions on how to get to Lena's. It's 2 minutes away, Phil. I expect my burrito in 5. All right, hit right here. That's gonna take us back to our music. We can hit, and here we can look through all our radio stations that we've already made. We can ask it by voice to request a new radio station. Some really cool stuff, all right? We can also, like I said, send text messages and make phone calls. So that's the Apple CarPlay portion. Where I was having fun was in the settings menu. This has some really cool stuff, some things that I like because I'm an audio nerd and this is an Alpine. So it does have, I get a lot of times customers are overwhelmed and confused by some radios. Hey, it's got bass, mid, and treble. It's nice and simple, right? But if you're a nerd, you want to do your equalizer, it has prefab equalizers with a subwoofer level control. If you want to get hardcore, we can go into our 9-band parametric equalizer, our crossovers, our time correction. So it has real audio features, but it has this simple mode where pretty much anybody can use it. I really like that. So that's a nice brief walkthrough of the Alpine iLX W650, and we have them in stock. Come on down.